Just close your eyes. Sit comfortably in your chair. You can place your feet in your chair, lotus posture, or on the floor. Your hands in your laps in an upward position to receive the grace all around you. The grace that we create by our very presence, by our light, by the love that we are, the love that we choose to release. And so in this time, I want us to just center ourselves into the Spirit. So take a deep breath in, and let that breath out. Beautiful. Let's do that again. Deep breath in, and deep breath out. Release to Mother Earth all of your worries and concerns. Let's do one more. Last breath in. Release to Mother Earth. Let it out. She receives. She neutralizes and balances all of that negativity, all the darkness and the stress and the chaos in your life. Beautiful receiver, Mother Earth. And so over the next couple of minutes, just begin to be aware of the love that is around you and the brothers and sisters seated beside you. Become aware of the love that is coming to you from the world of spirit all around you. Through the ethers, into this third dimension, the presence of God's light in that love. And as we sit in the knowing of this truth metaphysically, we understand we are God in expression. We are God in expression. If everything in the universe is an extension, an expression, a manifestation of the living power that is God, the Creator, then we are the children of God, literally. We are made of stardust. We are made of every component of this universe, whether physical or spiritual, whether visible or invisible, whether in order or whether chaos. We are still a part of that equation. And the key word today is love, because there are people here who don't feel loved. I can feel it. There are people here today who don't believe that they matter in this world. Their voice doesn't matter. That your presence doesn't matter. That what you say matters. You matter. You matter to the Metaphysical Chapel. You matter to me. You matter to Spirit. You matter to God. If you woke up today and you took breath, you have purpose. You still have purpose on earth. Something to fulfill today. Could be the person next to you. Could be the person you meet at lunch today. Could be a person you meet at the street light. You never know who your purpose is today. You were given the opportunity to live yet again today to fulfill some reason. Because you matter. You matter in the great ingredients that make up this universe. If you weren't important, you would not be present today. That's how important you are. And I just want you to imagine pouring out of the ethers all onto you, your body temple, that precious jewel of you, golden energy, the highest vibration of expression, that beautiful golden frequency of light. Just allow it to just sprinkle down, rain down on you, precipitate down on you. It is a gift from the ethers, a gift from cosmic mind, that infinite intelligence, the spirit world of your loved ones, your teachers, your masters, your friends. I can just see them reaching into the beautifully woven baskets and casting this golden light out into the ethers. Casting it off mountaintops. Casting it off waterfalls. Casting it out of gardens. And it comes to you because you matter. You matter. You are loved. And Spirit has a message for you today. And that message is that the love that you express which is God in expression, is the living life force that touches and uplifts and inspires other people. All of the so-called strangers that enter your path are no strangers. They are there to receive because your soul, your higher self, has guided them into your path for a reason. You are there to share your love, to share your life, to share your metaphysical teachings that you learn here on Sunday mornings. You are present to share that with these people who are lacking, who are ignorant of the truth. They have no experience of the truth, no awareness of the truth. That is your gift to them. That is your golden frequency that you share with them. All it takes is sharing our material. All it takes is sharing a kind word. All it takes is opening the door and being courteous. Sharing the light is that easy. And just begin to imagine a beautiful ray of pink that surrounds you. Surrounds your head, surrounds your throat, surrounds your heart and your body, and your legs and your feet. It encompasses all of you, cocoons you in that beautiful pink, loving vibration. You deserve the love today because you've been giving love for countless lives. Life after life after life on earth, in the spirit world of life, back and forth. We are eternal ancient souls, having life after life experiences. So share that truth. And so just take a deep breath in, and when you breathe out, I want you to just breathe out a beautiful pulse of white light out into the universe to send gratitude for this message today. Just take a deep breath in, and let that breath out in the pulse of gratitude, pulse of white light gratitude, into all dimensions of life, expression, existence. Bless the Creator, bless the angels, bless the beings of light that we don't even have names for, but yet they support us on earth. We have blessed this church, we bless this community today, all because you got out of bed and you brought your light to these chairs in the sanctuary. You made it possible. And for that we're grateful. And so just begin to pull your spiritual awareness back to your body temple. Let's take a deep breath in to center ourselves in this space, this time. And let that breath out, holding this truth in your spirit, in your body, opening your beautiful eyes, and welcome back.